Hi, this is Abigail Gutierrez, your hobbyist pharmacy at the Radio Fatima University Pampanga campus. Queen Abby here in YouTube. Today's experiment is the elephant toothpaste. So, come on. The first step is the hydrogen peroxide. Lagyan ko yun. The second one is the liquid, and we need the 1 tablespoon and number 2. The next step is the food color that you want. So I choose this violet. And then the yeast. So there's the time for us to see the result. And it is literally a foamy solution of elephant toothpaste. So it is, yes. Kindly observe your, kindly get your own observation about our elephant toothpaste. And that will be all. Thank you. So foamy. Look.
I'm so sorry guys, sobrang kalat ko kasi tapos na ako or tinapos ko yung 7 layers. So, ayan na ang result ng ating experiment. See you in my next experiment. Subscribe na. Love, 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 love mga bees!